Yo, it's your boy Green Box. Yes, I am back after 2 long million years. I am finally back. Will this be a one-off? Maybe. Probably. Maybe. I don't know, but all I know is today I'm going to teach you how to make a very nice smoothie with a blender, which was bought. So yeah, let's get into it. So, first things you want to do is, okay, you want 3 strawberries. So basically, grab the end, twist off, chuck there, cut, I would say down the middle, and so I should say at least 4. I'm going to cut myself now, because that would be a bro moment. So yeah, I would say at least 2. I will take that. Oh, no, that one's molded. Put that in there. Oh, yeah, so like that. Twist. Pluck off the leaves at the end. And then that. And then that. So yeah, you got 4. So you got 8 pieces there. But the other thing you'll want is now a banana. Right then, first things first, you grab the banana there, twist, pops open like a bottle of champagne. You want to peel, whatever these parts are, just pull them off, will you? There's so much. And then now you want to do you don't want to make them too big, just a little bit small. So yeah, I'd say that's quite nice. Now I just gotta put everything in the bin, because you know. So I would say like 3 grapes. Just make sure you take the roots off. Yeah. I think that's it, really. So yeah, now let's get on to the blending. Okay, next thing you want to do is chuck them all in. Ooh, flip. So yeah, and then you want to put the lid on, nicely secure it. Make sure to tighten it. Now we get to the fun part. We get to the blending. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, so you want to do is just put that like that. There's like 3 little docks. Put them in. They're very easy to put. Now I would suggest blending it for around 30 seconds. After that, then yeah, I won't speak. Yeah, and I'll show you the end product and give a little taste test, and yeah, we'll call it a day. So hang on, I'll just angle the camera so you can see this epic blending action. Is that good enough? That's good enough. Right then. So and yeah. It looks a little bit peachy, so we'll leave it in for another like few seconds. Maybe not 8, more like 5 to 10. And I would say that's good enough. That's quite nice. We'll do it one more time. Now that looks nice. Okay. Now let's give it the tape first. Just need to pop it off. Oh, it's so slow. So very sludgy. Okay, that's what the blender thing looks like. Let's just. Okay, right then. This is what it looks like. This And before I do, let's just turn off the light so you get a nice good shot of me. Oof. That's just the light reflecting off. So this is what it looks like if I die. Yeah. Okay. Oh God. You know what? I do hate bunch of little tiny bits coming in because it makes me feel sick. But apart from that, it actually tastes quite nice. The aftertaste, at least. So, yeah, that's how you make a very nice smoothie. Make sure to comment, but and subscribe. I don't think, will I be back? I don't know. You tell me. Yeah. So, I'll see you all tomorrow then. Here's what it looks like before you go.